Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am walking in Minnesota, heading to the Medical Equipment Right to Repair Summit. And guys, the weather is perfect for this kind of topic, I'm sure. But I'm extremely excited because the heads of almost every independent service organization are going to be here. And this just shows how the industry is moving. They're committing so much that the heads of all met in one location here in Minnesota. And we're going to come up with an action plan for moving this thing forward. It's not just a topic for a coffee table. This is real stuff that's really happening. And we're going to all come together in just the next few minutes. And we're going to come up with a plan for the next couple of years. And FOBI Medical, we're going to be part of it. So anyway, guys, stay tuned because I'll have more videos as I gather more information about this event. And I'll try and keep you all updated as much as possible.